Biryani is a mixed rice dish originating among the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent. It is made with Indian spices, rice, and some type of meat: chicken, beef, goat, lamb, prawn, fish, and sometimes, in addition, eggs and potatoes. This variation of the biryani is a vegan-friendly version. Typically, rice is cooked along with different kinds of vegetables in a handi, with potatoes and carrots being the most used vegetables in this dish. Legend has it that this biryani was created in Mysore when Tipu Sultan hired vegetarian Hindus as his bookkeepers. Thus, a vegetarian version of a cult dish was born. Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. Take half a cup of oil in a frying pan. Heat on medium heat. Add 1 small sliced onion. Fry till golden brown. This we will use to garnish the biryani. Once nicely brown, remove and put aside. Add 2 cups of water to a pan, and heat on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and bring to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, remove the lid and add the already soaked rice to the boiling water. Let boil for 5 minutes and check that the rice is soft. Let the water dry for another 2 minutes. Remove and put aside. Leave uncovered so the rest of the water may evaporate. Take the leftover oil from the frying of the onion earlier. Heat on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. As the cumin seeds start to fizzle, add 4 cloves. Add 4 split green cardamoms. Add about an inch of cinnamon stick. Add 2 split black cardamom. Add 1 bay leaf. Stir fry for a minute. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Stir fry till the onion starts to change color. As the onion starts to change color, add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry for another 5 minutes as the onion turns golden brown. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir to mix well. Add a 1/4 cup of sliced carrots. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped green beans. Add a 1/4 cup of peas. Add a 1/4 cup of diced potatoes. Stir fry a little. Add blended paste of 2 medium tomatoes. Fry, stirring occasionally till the water starts to dry and the oil separates. Add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Add half a cup of yogurt. Mix well. Cover and let cook for 10 minutes. Uncover after 10 minutes. Check that the vegetable is tender. If you feel that it is not tender enough, then cover and cook a little more. Garnish with half of the onions we fried earlier. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Add the boiled rice. Garnish with the rest of the fried onion. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Sprinkle 2 chopped green chilies. Cover and let cook for about 5 minutes on low heat. Mix the curry in the rice. Enjoy with raita or yogurt.